and welcome to the 13th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah and I'm going to be your host. This week we're going to talk about a new cargo barrier with some great accessories that Troy has put out. One of the things that we see in the market is obviously the increase in SUVs. The majority of the vehicles that are on the market for law enforcement and even responder vehicles for your fire and EMS are those SUVs. We're seeing the sedans go away. So this cargo barrier has some great features and accessories that we want to show you all about. This Ford 2020 is outfit with a lot of Troy equipment. It actually has the equipment tray, the vault, and some of the console and peripheral pieces inside. But specifically what we want to focus on today is this new cargo barrier. As you can see, it has the plexiglass back to it with no extra bars or beams or anything that interferes with the visuals of the officer when they're looking in their rear view mirror. The little accessory pockets that I wanted to show you, we have one on this side that actually is a lockable pocket so that they can secure items that they don't want to have just out in the open in the back of this vehicle. They also have a pocket on this side that's for the fire extinguisher. So it's open, accessible, not rolling around the back of your trunk, and easy to grab when you need that fire extinguisher. The great thing about a cargo barrier is just the overall ability to keep people out of the rear of your vehicle. But by having the cargo barrier and the two accessory pockets, you've now limited entry into through those side windows or egress through that rear seat as well. Historically, when an operator is in a vehicle that has a cargo barrier, they have a harder time with visual and visibility out of their rearview mirror, looking behind them, etc. As you can see, when I'm sitting here in this driver's seat, it's clear as day right out the back. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Fridays at Frontline. If you have any questions about the product you've seen today or anything you've seen in the past, please feel free to reach out. Follow us on social media when you get a chance, and comment below for that swag. We look forward to seeing you next time.